In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create more depth in your text in Photoshop and Illustrator. It's the same method, but I'm going to show you both. First of all, we're going to copy and paste the text. And we're going to place it directly upon each other with the Move tool. Going to hide the top layer and select the bottom layer. Going to select it also with the quick selection tool like this. Going to select our brush. We're going to put it on a big size, hardness 100%. Put it on black. Going to use here normal, and over here at opacity we're going to put it also on 100%. Now we're going to drag our mouse while clicking over the text and it's getting black. Going to do Ctrl D. We're going to show the front layer again, and we're going to select the Move tool. Going to select the black layer, and you can do it via arrow keys. I like it to push 2 times down, 1 times to the right. It depends on your scale, but like this you have a more depth effect in your text. How to do this in Illustrator? It's much easier actually. We're gonna copy and paste it. We're gonna drag it on top of it to make it black. Gonna push, oh, it's not exactly on top like this. We're gonna put it 2 times down, 1 time to the right. It has to be a bit more because it's a bigger scale. Now we're gonna bring it to the back with Control open bracket key. We placed a little bit more like so, and there we've got more depth in our text in Illustrator, and that's how you create it.